Improve your golf game with this helpful advice. While it would be ideal to be an expert in golf or make a hole-in-one with ease, most golfers would agree that the sport requires know-how and practice. Both take time. Following are some quick tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your game. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you always keep an eye on your golf clubs while at the course. This is important because due to the value of many golf clubs, somebody else probably already has their eye on them and might take them at their first chance. Golf is a matter of patience and focus. You really need to take your time in understanding where you are on the course, choosing your club and setting up your shot. Trying to rush through things will only result in a sloppy shot and higher scores. Keep yourself focused and block out others around you. A helpful tip when it comes to golfing is to make sure that you surround yourself around people who enjoy golf if you want to better yourself. There is no better way to improve your game than to have the positive support of your peers. You will find that you practice more and are more interested when you can share your stories with other people. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to try to aim for a better score than you believe is attainable. This is a great brain trick that will help you in completing your realistic goals. Take the distance that you wish to hit the ball off the tee and add 10% to it. Even if you come short of that goal, you will still be happy with your results. If you have to hit an uphill sand shot, you should put the ball forward in your stance. Make a long fluid swing parallel to the slope. By playing the ball forward, you lower the trajectory of the ball and help ensure the ball will carry far enough onto the green to make your putt. Hopefully, the tips and tricks above will help you to quickly get back to your game. Take the time to apply the practical suggestions given. No doubt, you will be glad you did when you make that dream shot, hole-in-one. Until that time, continue learning and practicing to be that expert golfer. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.